Hey everyone, today we're talking about something seriously awesome, Sony's STR-AN1000 receiver. It's a game changer in home theater, doing what most competitors just can't. With this powerhouse, you can wirelessly connect up to 2 of the same Sony subwoofers and a pair of Sony wireless rear speakers. That means no wires across the floor, no drilling, no mess, just clean, immersive sound. That's a huge win for anyone who's ever tried to hide cables and keep a clean aesthetic. Because you're not physically tied to the receiver, you get flexibility in placement. Want a sub in the front and another in behind the couch? Easy. If there's an outlet, it should work. And thanks to Sony's 360 Spatial Sound Mapping and Digital Cinema Auto Calibration 9, the receiver adapts to your room's layout for immersive theater-like sound without needing perfect speaker placement. This receiver supports an increasing list of Sony wireless speakers, which you can see here. The RS5 speakers are especially impressive as they include both forward and up-firing drivers, providing rear surround and height channels in one unit. They can even operate on battery power, allowing you to move around easily, no power outlets needed. Other Sony-compatible wireless speakers need to be plugged into a power outlet. Only the RS5 offers this cordless option. Okay, now let's get these connected. You'll be up and running in 9 steps. Connect the receiver to your TV using the HDMI out port. Make sure you plug it into the eARC or ARC HDMI input on your TV. Pro tip, if you're using directional HDMI cables, check the arrows. They show the direction audio flows from your TV to your receiver. Position your rear speakers and sub where you'll use them daily. Hook up your wired speakers, front, left, right, and center. Grab the remote and press home to open the menu on your TV. Navigate to Setup, Speaker Settings, Wireless Speaker Settings, Start Manual Linking. On each wireless speaker or subwoofer, press the link button on the back to enter pairing mode. Back in the receiver menu showing on your TV, select Start to begin pairing. You'll see confirmation messages like rear speaker L and R connected and subwoofer connected. Hit finish when done. Check for a solid green light on each speaker or sub. Then press enter. Grab your supplied calibration mic and follow the on-screen instructions to run auto calibration. When asked, assign your wireless speakers as either surround speaker or surround back speaker, depending on your room layout. And that's it, your wireless rears and subs are ready to roll. Fire up your favorite movie, game, or concert and enjoy next level sound with the STR-AN1000. No messy wires, no compromises, just powerful, flexible surround sound made simple.